channel The Colossal Colleen, and yes, I am your own Manmeet Kaur. I will not say sorry that I am back after a long period of time. I guess I am back after say what, months. So yeah, I was out and out as in not out of station or out of India. I was here. You guys were updated through my Instagram, and yeah, so I was all out of YouTube. Reason being, I was very much confused that I should go ahead with YouTube or just quit YouTube because I wasn't able to give time to it. And yes, though last year it was all lockdown, I was at home and everyone was at home. Still, I did not shoot at all. Reason being, I didn't feel like, I was not well, life was up and down. I was hearing so many newses that were not appropriate for me and for anybody. So yeah, I thought of quitting, but I didn't ask you people, I didn't ask anyone. I was self motivated, and yes, I am here. Yeah, so I am creating content for YouTube as well as for Instagram. Also reels are there, so yeah, I am a reel person. So yeah, reels are also there and I'm shooting reels as well. So yeah, if you've not followed me, the name is here, please go follow me there. Earrings are today. I created this summer look. I ordered this what do you call it, kurta maybe, a shirt maybe, a t-shirt type of a top maybe, yeah. So I ordered this top which is yellow in color and has this white and red design going on from Myntra, and I loved it. This is very comfortable, very nice. So I was like, this is a perfect thing to, wear when I'm creating this. So yeah, I created this look which is all your summery look which you can carry. The products that I've used are super friendly, pocket friendly, and your screen friendly as well. All are the drugstore brands which you get even if you go out. And yes, I would request you to not go out. And let's see how I got this look.
Starting off with the primer water, I will apply it on all over my face and then just dab it inside. Next is the serum by Versali. I will apply it all over my face and neck. Primer should be applied on your skin nicely. Then this chapstick is very important. Then I will be concealing the areas that are dark. Yeah, dabbing them down. Essence ki ye wali foundation was amazing. So yeah, so I did powder my face with like this using these two palettes. I have done my eye makeup. One is from Huda Beauty and the other one is from Maybelline. I really loved how it came out. So yeah, so I used these shadows that I've already shared here. Next I applied the liner and my lashes with some mascara so that there is no fallout seen. Next is the blush. I used this My Glam Peach blush and highlighter from the same brand so that it looks good. Next was the lip liner. This was random. And next was this lipstick. So this is how it looked.
So guys, this is how I created this look, and this is super easy, and you get this look within say what, 10 minutes or maybe 5 to 10 minutes depending on how fast you do it. So yeah, basically the work is of lipstick, eyes, cheeks, that's it. And also these are the lashes that I ordered from Amazon. These are by the Calolis. So these were 4 rupees, I guess, 600. And guys, it is amazing. If you want a tutorial on this one, like alone this one on my Instagram, let me know, I will do that. And yes, this is how it looks. It is these are the strips that are already there. I've applied this one. It's super easy. I mean, like, I never apply lashes, as you all know, because I really struggle. So this one is just my thing. So I've ordered this one because isse bade wala was not available. So yeah, these are two liners which are of course have magnets in them, maybe the powder or something, so it sticks so nicely. No jhanjat of chipchipapan or something, no jhanjat of anything. I am so happy with this product, you guys. I'm very happy with this product. And yes, if you like this look, please share it everywhere. And if you recreate this look, please do tag me so that I can also see that what you all have for me. And if you want me to create any other look, please let me know. I am coming up with the content. So yeah, let's just start it in a new way. Life has these up and downs. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, stay home, stay safe, sanitize yourself. टेक केयर, इतना केयर करने के बाद भी हो जाता है, तो या टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ। आई सी इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो, टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय।